And welcome back. Let's get right on track. With the J3A's National Senior and Junior Championships just a week away, the nation's track and field program was dealt a body blow on Thursday with confirmation that Olympic discus gold medalist Roger Stona and Olympic shot put bronze medalist Stona Campbell have completed their switch of allegiance to Turkey. As Kian Rayner reports, a consultant with the Turkish Sports Ministry provided details on this latest development with the TVJ Sports.
11 months after Roger Stona and Stona Campbell secured Jamaica's first Olympic gold and bronze in the discus and shot put respectively, confirmation came on Thursday that they have switched allegiance to Turkey. Speaking in an exclusive interview with TVJ Sports, Under Özbilin, a consultant with the Turkish Sports Ministry, confirmed the development.
Roger Stona was about to become a shame of Olympic Committee and the Athletic Federation. We have the Athletic Federation not to leave such a shame, because even in Jamaica, if Roger Stona was going to NFL, if we didn't enter, this was happening, then I think people would ask, how come we have an Olympic record holder and he didn't have the conditions to continue his career? Point. This is the point about Roger Stona. Nobody can say anything. We have the Athletic Federation and Olympic Committee, as I said, to bring him back to sports.
Stona, who threw an Olympic record of 70 meters flat, received his passport just over 2 weeks ago. National shot put record holder Campbell, who took the bronze medal in Paris with a throw of 22.15 meters, is set to receive his passport in less than a week.
My big question is, at the age of 33, Stona Campbell, without any part-time job, with double training a day, with full supplement support, camp support, and a secure family life, what will he do? All of us must be proud of him, I think, because otherwise we will not see him in 28.
Phone calls and messages to both throwers have gone unanswered. Özbilin explained what the throwers will be receiving as part of their allegiance switch to Turkey.
With the Sport Ministry Club, we made a very secure contract for them that they will have a good salary for 8 years, even if they are injured, even if they throw bad or they jump bad, they have a security for their families, 8 years. This is what even a small country can do for their athletes.
Jamaica also looks set to lose World Under-20 triple jump record holder and Olympic finalist Jaden Hibbert.
Talking, and you say Hibbert's passport will be ready within another 20 days or so.
Yes. He's a great boy. And he will be like my child. Believe me, this is not about medal. Whatever he needs, he'll be like my child.
Hibbert and his agent Henry Roll could not be reached by phone for a comment up to sports time. In the meantime, the Turkish official indicated that they will not be seeking to sign any sprinters from Jamaica.
We are not touching sprints of Jamaica is the second fact. We will not recruit after 4 years other Jamaican throwers is the third fact. They will be our ambassadors, and if Jamaica embraces them, not illogical to say we don't give them anything, but why don't they stay here? If people don't say, they will again serve their country. You understand?
In 2015, two Jamaican sprinters, Jack Ali Harvey and Emery Barnes, switched allegiance from Jamaica to Turkey and have won medals at the European Championships for that nation. Meanwhile, when contacted on Thursday, J3A's president Garth Gale said he was yet to receive any official communication from the athletes or the Turkish Federation about the transfers. Based on the rules of world athletics, athletes usually have to wait 3 years before being able to represent their new country unless both federations and the world body agree on a reduction. Kian Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.